exploring the word softly, more than just a whisper. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a simple yet intriguing word, softly. By the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp on its meanings and how to use it in various contexts. Softly is an adverb that describes the manner in which an action is performed. When something is done softly, it's done in a gentle or quiet manner. Imagine the delicate touch of a feather or the muted sound of a distant conversation. Example 1. She spoke softly so as not to wake the baby. Example 2. The rain fell softly on the rooftop. It's always great to know alternative words that carry similar meanings. Here are some synonyms for softly: quietly, gently, silently, lightly. Like every word in English, it's possible to misuse softly. Let's clarify some common misconceptions. 1. Not a synonym for weakly. Remember, softly refers to the manner, not the strength. Saying, "He hit the ball softly," suggests a gentle touch, not necessarily a weak one. 2. Position in a sentence. Adverbs like softly usually come before the main verb or after the object if there is one. 3. Correct. She sang softly. 4. Incorrect. She softly sang. The English language is peppered with idiomatic expressions. Here are a couple involving our word. Tread softly. This means to proceed with caution or to be careful. Softly, softly, catchy monkey. An old saying that suggests patience and gentleness can achieve better results than haste or force. And there we have it. The word, softly, is more than just a descriptor for a quiet action. We hope this video has enlightened you on its versatility in the English language. Keep practicing, and remember, learning is a journey that we tread softly but surely. Happy learning!